Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Singh and I have completed my graduation in computer science. Today I am giving a demo session on topic of science. Start with the topic of today, structure of atom. So firstly, I will make you understand what the term atom means. Anything we look around is made up of tiny objects called atoms. To keep it in simple words, atoms are the smallest unit of matter and building block of everything. In universe, you can see anything, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. Right from the grain of sand to the strand of hair, to your body, to the planets, stars, to the infinity and beyond, everything is made up of atoms. So where did it all begin? As the story goes, Maharshi Kannad, an Indian sage and philosopher, was walking with food in his hand and he chewed the food for some time. He realized that he couldn't divide the food into further parts, and thus the idea of matter, which can't be divided further, came into existence. He called that invisible matter Anu, a Sanskrit word for atom. Even that sage Kannad was believed to be the first one to come up with the idea, but the credit for making concept popular and proposing the first atomic theory goes to Greek philosopher Democritus, who in 460 BC explained that everything around us is made up of tiny particles surrounded by empty spaces. He named these particles atoms, and as the time progressed, this theory went into many changes, and finally we know atoms for what it is, how it is, and what they are made up of. You can see the history of the timeline from the picture I show to you. You can see the history of the timeline of the atom, how the model of electron evolved from Thomson's watermelon model to the modern quantum cloud model of 1930. So with this we have completed our first subtopic of today, that is atom. What is atom and how it was discovered. So now let's move to the next subtopic of our topic today, that is the subatomic parts of the atom. So here, according to Dalton, atoms couldn't be further subdivided. However, over the years, scientists carried out experiments to find out there are further particles inside an atom which are oriented in a specific manner, and they are named as subatomic particles. These subatomic particles can be further named as electron, proton and neutron. Electron carry a charge of minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and proton also carry the same charge but positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and neutron, being neutral, carry no charge. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, while the masses of proton and neutron are approximately equal 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So here you can notice that the mass of electron is almost negligible. Now as far we have studied about the subatomic parts of the atom, now the main question is how these subatomic particles are organized in atom. That will define the structure of the atom. So in this session we will discuss the three main theories of atom. The first theory that was given by J.J. Thomson, second theory was given by Rutherford, and third theory was given by Bohr. So let's first discuss the J.J. Thomson model of atom. So yeah, this model is also known as the watermelon model because of similarity in structure. Seeds of watermelon could be equated to the electrons that are negatively charged particles, and the red mass can be equated to the protons or positively charged sphere. He also proposed that atoms consisted of equal number of electrons and protons. His model, although, didn't justify the results of some later experiments carried out. One of those experiments which couldn't justify the Thomson model was done by Rutherford. According to the model of Rutherford, which is also known as the nuclear model of atom, let's see his nuclear model of atom first. According to his model, there is a positively charged center in the atom called nucleus. All mass of atom is due to this nucleus. He also suggested that electrons of the atom revolve around the nucleus. This model was also known as planetary model, as the nucleus of atom can be compared to miniature of sun, and electrons revolving around the nucleus can be compared to the planets revolving around the sun. But this model didn't get much acceptance, as it is said electron keeps revolving around the nucleus. However, later it was found any charged body moving in a circular motion undergoes acceleration, and undergoing acceleration it should lose some energy. So energy of the electron should keep on decreasing. As a result, the path in which the electron is moving should become smaller and smaller, and thus finally it should fall into the nucleus, and hence the atom should collapse. So the nucleus model couldn't explain the stability of the atom. In order to overcome objections raised against Rutherford's model of atom, Bohr gave his model. Rutherford model's major drawback that it couldn't explain the stability of the atom. Bohr said electrons do revolve around the nucleus, but their energy remain fixed. How? So this is the Bohr's model of atom. He said that electrons do revolve around the nucleus, but yes, their energy is fixed because they are restricted to these fixed orbits. Each of these orbits is at a fixed distance from the nucleus, and it is associated with a fixed amount of energy called discrete energy. These levels are represented by letters K, L, M, N, or 1, 2, 3, 4, starting from the center. He got Nobel Prize for that. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video of today. Thank you for your time.